Over the years, Airfix enthusiasts have always been able to rely on the catalogue or annual range to provide plenty of choice when selecting a model subject, with some kits proving more irresistible than others. Due to its link with the Red Arrows and its use as a training aircraft, the Folland Gnat has appeared regularly over the years, beginning with the original 1/72nd scale kit released in 1964. Most releases featured the Red Arrow scheme, but for those wanting a standard training jet, they could follow the Airfix magazine guidance or aftermarket deco options. The original tooling was replaced in 2012 with a modern kit, and both 72nd and 48th scale versions are currently available. Although small, the Gnat is an attractive aircraft, and in 48th scale, its clean lines are even more noticeable, making it an attention-grabbing display piece. This reissue includes two striking scheme options. Scheme A is a Folland Gnat T.1 XP500 from No. 4 Flying Training School, RAF Valley, Anglesey, Wales, 1973. For student pilots, the first flight in a Gnat must have been unforgettable. After mastering the jet provost, the Gnat offered a thrilling step up in speed and manoeuvrability, earning a reputation as a hot ship. Cockpit was cramped, with instructors struggling with limited forward visibility. Taller pilots often had to transfer to other aircraft like the Hawker Hunter to avoid risk during ejection. This particular aircraft, XP500, was the first T1 from the main production order, making its first flight on the 25th of June 1962 and entering RAF service in 1964. It served 16 years with No. 4 Flight Training School at RAF Valley and was also a mount for both the Yellowjacks and Red Arrows display teams. The model showcases the later high visibility training presentation adopted by the RAF, offering a striking and historically accurate finish. Scheme B is a Folland Gnat T1 XM709 from Central Flying School, RAF Little Rissington, Gloucestershire, England. The Central Flying School, or CFS, was established in 1912 to train flight instructors and assess pilot competency. Re-established at Little Rissington in 1946, it became the only RAF school dedicated to training flying instructors, transitioning from piston aircraft to jets. The first production Gnats arrived at Little Rissington in 1962, initially in all silver livery. By the mid-1960s, they received day-glow orange extremities for visibility, with updates in the early 1970s bringing them close to Scheme A. XM709 was the last of 14 pre-production aircraft first flown on the 5th of January 1962, later serving at Dunsford for development trials before joining the CFS. Eventually withdrawn from service, it was sold to a private buyer and transported to Florida, where it serves as a spares donor for other airworthy Gnats. For those who grew up watching the Red Arrow's early displays, the Gnat remains a memorable and iconic RAF type. Small but highly capable, it earned a lasting reputation both in service and as a model kit. Both the 48th and 72nd scale Gnat kits are currently in stock and available, making it a perfect addition to any collection.